Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming network and permissions. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then connect both your Xiaomi phone and target display to the same router. Once done, open Settings or the Cast-enabled app and allow location and network permissions so discovery works. Make sure MIUI and the Cast Receiver app are updated to avoid compatibility issues. You're initiating handshake. This reduces drops and speeds up mirroring. Now tap Cast or Screen Sharing and look for the display name. Now you select the target device from the Cast menu. You'll see a list. Pick the display name matching your TV or dongle. After selecting it, configure options like resolution, audio output, or orientation if the phone offers them. This optimizes performance versus default mirror. If a PIN or confirmation prompt appears on the TV, accept it to finalize pairing. Once the stream begins, test video and audio playback. Make small adjustments for lag. Then lock orientation or close power-hungry apps to keep the feed stable. To finish, stop casting from quick settings or within the app. You should see the session end immediately. If the picture stutters or the connection drops, restart your phone or the receiver, and if that fails, reboot the router. Make sure both devices are on the same band. 5 GHz gives less interference but shorter range, 4 GHz penetrates walls better. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable VPNs or battery saver modes, because they often block casting discovery and kill background streams.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.